Okay, it's on.
Hi, my name is Charlene Anderson. I'm a nurse, a registered nurse, and I'm on the Special District Hospital Board at Tri-City Hospital. So I help run the hospital. And prior to my experience here at Dr. Morris's office, I had always felt that my vision and my particular prescription was something that was different from everybody else's and didn't completely understand it. And I had considered LASIK at one time, but due to not being able to understand the explanation that my former optometrist gave me, I didn't go forward with it. I came to Dr. Morris's office just for a regular exam, not anticipating that I would ever do LASIK because of that prior experience. And immediately upon walking in the door, I felt like I was treated as an individual and a unique person. The office staff, even though, they don't know me. They didn't know that I was on the board of Tri-City, even though Dr. Morris did. And they just were so warm and welcoming, and he has so many people that are highly trained to their unique position in the company, so that it's not just one or two people trying to do everything, maybe not doing it well. It seems that everybody knows their particular job very well. And my LASIK experience was amazing. It was simple. My recovery was perfect. I was out and about the next day, as he said I would be. And my vision, I have suffered with strabismus or lazy eye my whole life, and because of that my depth perception was always a little off, and I had monovision contacts. Dr. Morris actually made my prescription closer together for each eye, but it's still a monovision prescription on my LASIK, so that I can see far away with one eye and close up with the other. And the combination of the way he did it actually made my depth perception better. So at first it was a little different, and I sort of had to really pay attention for about a half a day, and then I was just pleased because I no longer have hesitation when I approach corners on my recumbent bike. And if you ride one of those, you're kind of low to the ground, and I would generally ride with my poodle running alongside me, so I would have this hesitation on coming to any corner because I really had to stop and focus and turn my head back and forth. I no longer have to do that. Now I have my depth perception is just so much better that it's such a relief. I wish I had done that a long time ago. And I also had the marvelous opportunity to have him use me as a subject for Juvederm and Botox. And that, seriously, I am such a fan. I can't even tell you. First of all, I had facial asymmetry because I had jaw surgery in the past, and so I had one side of my face had a little indentation, not quite as cute as a dimple. And he was able to fill that. He made my mouth more smiley when it was really frowny. And then, of course, the usual things that you see with LASIK, the deeper wrinkles, or not LASIK, Botox. The deeper wrinkles sort of fade over time. But the most important thing was that there was really no downtime to that. I had a little bit of redness. I was easily able to cover with makeup, and the outcome was just miraculous. And then first you see it with the Juvederm, but then the Botox takes a couple of days to a couple of weeks if you've never had it. And it's so much fun to see your face smooth out. And of course people just told me, oh, you look well rested, or you look pretty today. And just a little different. You could tell, they'd sort of take a second look like, wow, she looks better, but didn't really know why. And that's a great feeling too, when they can't, they're not like, wow, she must have had some work done or something. It's just great. And I love coming here to this office and would recommend it to just anybody and everybody.